What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to redeem your Amazon gift card. So here I have on my phone the Amazon app opened and I'm signed in with my account. First, you'll have to go to the three lines on the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on them. It'll open your options screen here and you should find an option here that says gifts and charity. If you don't find it, as it's the case with me here, no problems. Go to your personal page here next to the home icon. It's the second icon in the bottom tab here. If I click on it, here you see the first option is to redeem your gift card. You can scan your code automatically. Press on this to scan your code automatically. Of course, you have to allow access to the camera. Or you can manually enter your code here and tap on apply to your balance. And now your gift card code is applied.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.